It's definitely a life-changing experience.
Peter Lennon has spent his entire career in the fire service.
I've been in the city for 17 years.
He's Manchester's fire marshal, and with a busy, unpredictable schedule, feeling tired isn't unusual, but recently it was getting the best of him.
I had a lot of fatigue and then some other minor symptoms that I knew something was off, but I didn't know if it was just because of my age.
It wasn't his age.
My wife was with me when I got diagnosed. It was obviously unexpected.
Lennon had colon cancer.
It was a lot of what ifs. I mean, that was the hardest part, is trying to get everything in order, because they really truly didn't know until they got in there what was going to happen.
He had surgery in October and returned to work just 5 weeks after his diagnosis.
It was very tough on my family, very hard, but we're very fortunate. I'm very lucky that I'm here.
Lennon credits a new pilot program in the city. In partnership with Dartmouth Health and Anthem Blue Cross, the Manchester Fire Department started offering free firefighter cancer screenings earlier this year.
We're trying to identify the population that's the most at risk, because when detected early, these cancers are curative.
According to the International Association of Firefighters, cancer is now the leading cause of death among firefighters and accounts for more than 65% of line-of-duty deaths each year.
Many states are starting to screen their firefighters because of this increased risk. So we decided to collaborate on a program that would best serve to help these guys out.
Doctors say early detection is key, and now Lennon is cancer-free.
I feel good. I feel actually the best I felt in a while.
He hopes the pilot program gets picked up statewide to support the men and women risking their safety to protect others.
There's a lot of people out there working every day and could be having the same symptoms I have and don't have the means to get screened, and this will definitely save lives.
About 10% of the Manchester firefighters who were screened were referred to Dartmouth or their own primary care for follow-ups. And while some of those appointments haven't happened yet, Lennon is the only one who was diagnosed with cancer so far. Catherine Underwood, WMUR News 9.